Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will look at the new feature in version 9.0, which is used for setting the cell sizing automatically. The density dialog box is different with a refreshed look and usability in version 9.0. When blocks are created for a domain to be meshed, the user has to manually set the cell sizes for the blocks. This is done by defining density to each edge group. This process could be time-taking based on the number of blocks, and it is also an iterative process to arrive at an optimal cell sizing. Optimizing the points improves the quality of the overall mesh by preventing the stretching of singular points. We have introduced a new feature in GridPro called length-based density. It can be assessed in the new density dialog box. This feature automatically assigns the density of each edge based on the given reference edge and base density. For example, the highlighted edge has a length of 8. And a cell density of 8. So using this as a reference edge, another edge of length 16 shall have a cell density of 16. Let's go ahead and see how this feature can be used on a 2D cylinder case. In this case, we see the blocks in the rear portion of the cylinder are stretched. Suppose I would like to create a mesh with uniform cell size. I need to select each edge group and set the density. In this case, we can do it in a few clicks manually, but it would be cumbersome in large cases. If we use the length-based option, we could set the sizing easily. It is recommended to select the smaller edge as a reference edge to capture tiny features in geometry with higher density. I will click a smaller edge which has a current density of 8 to select as a reference edge. The edge ID and the current density can be seen in the dialog box here. I will change the current density to 6. The next option is to specify the max density. The recommended max density is 64 for one block. This is because the density below 64 helps to generate the grid faster. Users can split the block using the insert option if the desired density is more than 64. After clicking on apply, the density of every edge in the topology is calculated and updated as per the length of each edge automatically. This feature is best used when the edges of the topology are closely aligned with the final mesh. It also reduces the time required to set the cell sizing and achieve balanced densities for the individual blocks. We have another option to control the density in certain corner groups. We will examine its usage in the next video. Until then, have a great time. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it below. If you want us to post tutorials on any specific geometry, you could write to us at support@gridpro.com. Thank you for watching.